What the heck? No, this man isn't a borrower. He's just on the tallest ever rideable motorbike. Yes, 5 meters tall from the top of the handlebars to the ground. This is quite the beast. Fabio Regani from Italy is the Guinness Book record holder.
When the people see my bike, they became crazy and they laugh sometimes, and some people say, "You are crazy, man, what that?" But they are happy, and sometimes they say, "Mamma mia!" I'm very happy to be in the Guinness World Record book, and I'm very glad of came into the special club, so let's go.
Fa parte della famiglia del Guinness World Record! Ale!